Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And this is my annual recap video of all completed diamond painting kits in 2024. I will show you a finished and framed kit with a short summary of each project that you are going to see today. If you need more detailed information about a certain kit that you are going to like, along with a link to the seller, please check my post review video of the specific design. And we will start with my first kit, Bahamian Bear from Diamond Dots, that was purchased at Michael's during their sales event. And this is a partial round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 41 by 51 centimeters. This kit also came with a few special shape drills. I'm not sure if it came with ABs, but I definitely used it. I really love how it turned out, although I'm not really a fan of diamond painting animals, but I fell in love with this bear. I think it looks gorgeous and the sparkle is just amazing. Very beautiful kit. That's how it looks finished. And I also framed it. The size is more or less standard. That's how it looks behind the glass. The next kit that I really love very much is Celtic Wolf Guide from Diamond Dots in the size of 20.3 by 20.3 inches. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. Again, I'm not a fan of diamond painting animals, but when I finished this kit, I just fell in love with it. It came not only with very high quality resin drills, but also with sparklers, with AB drills, and it looks fantastic. Look at this, a fantastic sparkle. Some of you ask me what I use to capture the sparkle. I do not do anything on my side. The sparkle is thanks to very unique faceted drills that Diamond Dots use, and it looks just amazing. Look at this gorgeous sparkle. No program is used. I'm not recording it in any special way. It just sparkles like this in real life. Isn't it a beautiful kit? The size is kind of non-standard, but I purchased a frame from Arts of Frames. This is an online website. I paid $40 for that frame, and soon you will see it behind the glass. The next kit is Christmas window from Germany. It is a full round drill kit in the size of 40 by 60 centimeters. I got it from my friend from Germany, from European brand Avec. It is sold in action stores in Europe, and I really like how it turned out. It also came with ABs and with metallic drills. I added a few crystals in there, and I'm really very happy with how it turned out. That's how it looks framed. The next kit from American brand Make Market, Fireplace, in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit. I also customized this kit a little bit by adding a few sparklers and ABs. Yeah, I also like how it turned out. The next one is also the kit from Make Market, Cabin in the Woods, 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. I do not recall it coming with ABs, but I modified this kit a little bit. I added sparklers, specifically in the window, and white ABs from Diamond Dots. And I really love this design. I am a fan of cabins, of houses, of cottages. I love diamond painting, landscapes, and this is one of my favorite kits. And this is kit behind the glass in a white frame from Michael's. The next one is a Gingerbread House, again from Make Market. It is a round, full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This is one of their first kits. I purchased it maybe 3 or 4 years ago. It was one of their first Make Market kits. I can't say that I love the design a lot, but I do like how it turned out because again I enhanced it with sparklers and with ABs. This kit came with acrylic drills only. Make Market uses acrylic drills, not resin ones, but they are of a very good quality. The next kit is a Haunted House from Make Market. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This is their Halloween slash fall series. You are gonna see a few more kits from this series. I also like how it turned out. I used, I mean, not I used, but it came with glow in the dark drills. Very nice kit. The next one is Lakeview from Make Market, full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. It came with 32 colors, all of them were acrylic ones, but I did add a few white AB from Diamond Dots, and I really like the final result. It looks very realistic, especially the sky and the reflection of the sky in the lake. It looks super natural. Unfortunately for me, fortunately for somebody else, this kit is gone. I sold it to my co-worker who purchased it as a gift for his friend. So the next one is Morning in a Countryside from Russian company Mosfa. The size is pretty small, 30 by 40 centimeters. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit. I love the detailization because it has a lot of object, yet the size is super small. 30 by 40 is super small, yet look how many details there are on the kit. The only problem with this brand now is that the company was sold out, and now they're trying to save money and they use acrylic drills instead of resin, and you can see that there is no really much of a sparkle, although detailization is perfect, flawless. The next one is a Mushroom Cottage from Make Market. This kit is a little bit bigger than the previous ones, 40 by 60 centimeters, and it is a full round drill diamond painting kit. It came only with acrylic drills, but I used white AB diamonds from Diamond Dots along with sparklers on the windows, and I decided to replace acrylic drills with ABs on the background, and I like how it turned out. I think it looks pretty nice for this very designed magical one. The next one is Nutcrackers from Make Market, a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This is also Christmas series from Make Market. It's an exclusive kit. It is no longer available. It is no longer produced. It was discontinued, so to say. So I also gave it away as a gift, and I'm so in love with how it turned out. Detailization is just perfect. Look at the faces of those nutcrackers. They look like, I don't know, like a painting, like a photo, not like a diamond painting. I also customized this kit with sparklers and ABs and gave it, I didn't give it away, I sold it. So it's no longer in my possession. The next one is also from Russian brand Mosfo. It is a full square drill kit in the size of 30 by 40 centimeters, Wise Owl. I do love the sparkle. I do love the final result. Back then, they used resin drills, and you can see the sparkle is just amazing. Unfortunately, it was sold out, and now the quality is deteriorating. The next one is a Peacock from Make Market in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. This kit was customized a lot. It came only with acrylic drills. I'm not even sure if it contained any ABs, but I replaced a lot of colors there. I used neon drills, I used AB drills, I used crystal drills, and I really like the final result. The sparkle is just mesmerizing. This kit was also sold out, so I hope that people who bought it like it as much as I do. The next one is a 40 by 50 centimeter diamond painting kit, round drills from Make Market, Santa. It was also one of Make Market's first kits. The final result is pretty good. The detailization is really nice. I like how the fur on Santa's coat is rendered. I can feel the softness. So the rendering is perfect, and that's how it looks behind the glass. I really like it very much. I also used a few crystals and ABs in there. The next one is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Make Market. The majority of my kits are from Make Market. I think it was Polar Express, yes. 40 by 50 centimeters round drills. I also used some ABs and crystal kits, and I still have it with me. And this kit, like the majority of Make Market Christmas series kits were discontinued. This kit is no longer available as well. So if you like it, unfortunately, I won't be able to give you the link because it's no longer available. The next one is Winter Forest Make Market. The specifications are the same, 40 by 50 centimeters, round drill diamond painting kit. It came with acrylic drills as far as I remember, but I did use some ABs on the background. I replaced white color with white ABs from diamond dots, and the sparkle is coming from them. It is also gone. The next one is the unicorn. This kit, as far as I remember, 45 by 60 centimeters. This one is bigger than the majority of their kits. It's a full round drill diamond painting kit. I used some ABs and a few crystal on it, and I'm planning to give it away as a gift to my daughter's teachers, to one of my daughter's teachers. The next one is a tree forest from Make Market, 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. I also used white ABs from Diamond Dots on this kit, and you can say it by the sparkle, right? And Diamond Dots has very unique sparkle coming from their drills. You can recognize it from anytime, right? This kit is also gone. I sold it to my co-workers for them to give it away as a gift to their friends. And that's how it looks behind the glass. The next one is this one is Santa from Make Market, 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit, also one of their first kits. I also like how it turned out. I used some ABs, I used white ABs, I used yellow ABs, and I think even sparklers. I'm very happy with the final result. And this one is a mountain retreat. It's a budget version from Make Market, 30 by 30 centimeters. I purchased it at Walmart, and I am just very impressed with the detailization of the kit. 30 by 30 is a very small size, yet look how many details it captures. Amazing. And the sparkle is also great. I love it. The next one is Eiffel Tower, right, from Diamond Tar Club, 33 by 41 centimeters, a full round drill diamond painting kit. I purchased it at Joann on sale, and again, I bought it only because of the sales price, but I'm really very happy that I got it because I love how it turned out. The sparkle is just amazing. The next one is a kit from Make Market, their Halloween series, 3 ghosts, 40 by 50 centimeters, square drills. And as you can see, they are square drills, although they are acrylic as far as I understand. They sparkle way more than round drills. They are round drills. So I really like how it turned out. Plus, I used white ABs on the ghosts, and I think it was rendered pretty well. The final result is pretty good. This one is Pumpkin Tablescape from Make Market, 40 by 50 centimeters, a full round drill diamond painting kit, their full series. I'm also very impressed with the detailization of this kit, and I'm planning to give it away to my daughter's teacher, who likes everything that is related to fall very much. This is a Vanity Owl from Diamond Tar Club, 30 by 30 centimeters. This kit came with AB drills and FD, like fairy dust drills. It was my first time working with them. I customized this kit by using a combination of white ABs and resin drills on the background, and to tell you the truth, I do not like how it turned out. I should have used either ABs or resin, but not as a mixture. Some people like it, they think that it looks like rain, but I don't know. I don't really like it that much, although I like the final result, and I was really disappointed with FD drills because I do not even see them on the kit itself. Now, this one is a black cat from Make Market. They are small kits, 8 by 10 inches, and it comes with glow-in-the-dark drills, but I used AB glow-in-the-dark drills, and it also came with a magnetic frame. So that's how it looks in a very dark room. It glows in the dark. That's how it glows in the dark in the lighter, in a room with the blinds off. So you can see that the eye is glowing as well. And the last one is my disappointment. It's a full square drill diamond painting kit from Moskva, Russian company, harbingers of winter. Moskva is very famous for really very well rendered kits, and this one was just computer generated. It was not hand charted whatsoever. Like the designers didn't even touch this kit, and it looks like a very cheap AliExpress version. Look at the house. Like, what is that? So I was really very disappointed with that one. So if you are purchasing Moskva kits, be very careful, because along with really nicely rendered kits, they have also computer generated designs. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed the video.